drop off my car and take Jules' car.
Oh.
Alright, you ready?
Ready. Go on.
Take off flat.
Hot rod!
Dude, I think Dude, where are you going that far for, man? Come on.
Because I want to stay away from you because you run into people.
Gear up, flaps up.
What are we doing? Any touch?
Whatever you want. I'm down for touch and goes.
Light pack 0.0 volts.
You didn't plug it in? Oh shit, dude, say what you're doing!
Shit, maybe it didn't.
It doesn't matter. We're not going to be doing much.
Good see temperature.
No, you didn't plug it in. It's alright.
Because I have the
Okay. The hot, heavy duty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotta get over the sun.
Whatever you are, I will be, so I'm just going to listen to yours.
Time
I'll come down with
2
you just so we can
Landing flap, gear down.
be similar.
Temperature 63 degrees.
I want to do the flight with you, so I'll go back up with you.
Take off flaps.
No, we're going back up.
I forgot to plug in my telemetry. Oh, yeah.
So I'll just go over and wait. Let's do a tandem takeoff, Frankie.
Woo!
Yeah, it's a little nipply.
Dude, man, it's like balls.
My balls is hot.
Oh, sorry, I forget what video.
It's alright.
No editing.
No editing. That's for you, Captain Blas and Robert.
Captain Blush.
Alright, so we're doing this together.
Yeah.
So you roll on, I'll come behind you. It's always better when I do that.
Gear up, flaps up.
Flip it. Come back around.
Wanna be further out. Oh, 21.
Oh, you're not. I think you're alright.
Oh, that looks cool.
That's under load though. I think it's because they're cold.
It's cold, yeah. They really don't like it.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I was sinking a lot.
Me
quicker
too,
than I
actually.
thought.
2 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight pack 21.8 volts.
I gotta get that little bit ahead of you so that we'll stay together.
That's cool.
Otherwise our turns, we won't be matched. Right? Okay.
30 seconds.
Nice. Captain Blush. Those guys are. I love
I'm going to dedicate this video to them. I want them to watch it.
Watching their video.
Robert and Blanche, this is for you. You must watch.
9, 8,
I'm going to post this for you guys to watch. I'm going to tag you in it.
5, 4, 3.
I'm doing that to catch up, so don't try to.
Time expired.
There we go.
Go up.
Okay, and flip it.
Converted.
Okay, come back around.
Down.
Degrees Fahrenheit. Flight pack 20.
Oh, you're way the hell over there, though.
Woo! 20.9, baby. I think it's time to land there. Oh, very nice.
Whoa, scared the crap out of that bird. Oh, your battery's tired.
My battery is not. Yeah, now it's back. But it was not liking it. I'm gonna do that as a no like slope us. Let's do that again.
Okay.
I'm gonna be furthest down.
We're doing that now?
Yeah, now.
Okay.
Not too fast though. Where you at?
Right here.
Oh, there you are.
I was right with you. Oh shit, I lost my momentum.
1 minute over.
I'm gonna go up.
Okay,
Tap it.
I'll do it too.
Now.
Temperature 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight pack 21.3 volts.
Where are you? There you are.
Man, you gotta be careful. It's super easy to lose already.
It is. Right back with you. Oh, we're alright. It hasn't really changed.
Yeah,
Dude, that was a good pass.
that was a nice pass. I want to do one like right over the runway.
Go. Turn around and I'll follow you.
Yeah, let's just go here, and
Okay.
then we'll come back. We'll go downwind.
I gotta speed up a little bit to catch up. Good go.
Nice.
Slowed down a little bit, but damn pizza pan. Almost hit the damn pizza pan.
21.9 volts.
Yeah, it's barely moving. Your voltage is fine.
I think the battery's warming up. It's getting better. It's just
Temperature 90 degrees Fahrenheit.
Battery's warming up. Jesus.
Flight pack no data.
it's hot here though.
Yeah, warm is better.
Warmer is better for these guys.
93 degrees Fahrenheit.
I'm coming back around to the runway.
20.4 volts.
A little chilly?
Yeah. I could consider just pack up my stuff.
Well, it's my last flight. You know, I gotta get one more.
Oh, I'm with you. Where are we coming in? From the right?
Gear down. Landing flaps.
No, we need to fly for like 20 minutes.
3 minutes over.
You can fly. There's no flash for like
Oh boy.
Come on.
batteries.
We're going to be together, so I might be a little bit ahead of you right now, but
Only burned 1,000 milliamps each battery.
yeah, I came ahead of you.
5 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, that was doo-doo. I think we hit sync both at the same
We're
time
both, yeah.
Flaps
I
up.
was a little bit freaked
because
out.
it just dropped.
22.1.
You're okay.
This battery is really not
They don't like the cold. So you've got to do a hard, basically what we should do is when you take off, stay full throttle for a good 20-30 seconds.
sag like crazy.
Yeah, but it'll warm it up.
Yeah.
There's the battery sagging at the end of the flight.
No,
No,
in the beginning.
In the beginning.
Just 'cause
They're
of it.
cold.
Cold.
Oh, yeah, that
Yeah,
is.
super